The male reproductive system is a complex and finely tuned network, and at its core lie two remarkable organs: the testicles. Often overlooked, the testicles play a crucial role in both hormone production and the creation of sperm, the male reproductive cells essential for fertilization. Understanding how these organs operate and the intricate process of sperm production provides a fascinating glimpse into the fundamentals of male reproductive health. Let's begin with the anatomy of the testicles. Located within the scrotum, the testicles are oval-shaped glands, each typically measuring about 4 to 5 centimeters in length. The scrotum acts as a protective external pouch, suspended outside the body to help regulate temperature. A vital consideration for optimal sperm production. Inside each testicle, an elaborate system of tiny coiled tubes called seminiferous tubules serves as the production site for sperm cells. These tubules, if unraveled, would stretch for many meters, underscoring the sheer capacity of the testicles to generate sperm throughout a man's reproductive life. Surrounding and supporting the seminiferous tubules is a network of connective tissue, blood vessels, and specialized cells. Among these, the Leydig cells, nestled between the tubules, are responsible for producing testosterone, the main male sex hormone. Testosterone influences a wide range of bodily functions, from the development of male secondary sexual characteristics, such as facial hair, deeper voice, and increased muscle mass, to the maintenance of libido and overall reproductive health. The process of sperm production, or spermatogenesis, is a marvel of cellular transformation. It begins within the seminiferous tubules, where primitive germ cells, known as spermatognia, reside along the walls. These cells are the foundation of sperm development. Under the influence of hormones, including testosterone and follicle-stimulating hormone, FSH, spermatognia will undergo a series of divisions and changes. First, they multiply through mitosis, ensuring a steady supply of precursor cells. Some of these then embark on a more specialized journey, undergoing meiosis, a process of cell division that halves the number of chromosomes, preparing the sperm to combine with an egg during fertilization. As the cells progress through spermatogenesis, they transform from round, undifferentiated cells into elongated, motile spermatozoa. This transformation involves dramatic changes. The cell's nucleus condenses, packaging its genetic material tightly. The acrosome, a cap-like structure, forms over the head of the sperm, loaded with enzymes needed to penetrate the egg, and the flagellum develops, giving the sperm its characteristic tail for swimming. The entire process takes about 64 to 74 days from start to finish, ensuring a continuous supply of fresh sperm. Once matured, sperm cells are released into the lumen of the seminiferous tubules and transported through a series of ducts. They first enter the rete testis and then move into the epididymis, a long coiled tube attached to the back of each testicle. Here, sperm undergo further maturation, gaining the ability to swim and fertilize an egg. The epididymis serves as both a storage and finishing school for sperm, holding them until ejaculation. Hormonal regulation is key to maintaining healthy testicular function and sperm production. The hypothalamus and pituitary gland, located in the brain, act as the command center. The hypothalamus releases gonadotropin-releasing hormone, GnRH, prompting the pituitary to secrete FSH and luteinizing hormone, LH. FSH targets the seminiferous tubules, stimulating spermatogenesis, while LH directs the Leydig cells to produce testosterone. This hormonal interplay is governed by feedback loops to ensure balance. For instance, rising testosterone levels signal the brain to reduce LH production, preventing excess hormone accumulation. Environmental and lifestyle factors can significantly impact testicular health and sperm quality. The temperature within the scrotum is typically a few degrees cooler than core body temperature, which is crucial for efficient sperm production. Prolonged exposure to heat, whether from tight clothing, hot baths, or certain occupational hazards, can impair sperm formation. Similarly, factors such as stress, poor diet, lack of exercise, and substance use, particularly tobacco, alcohol, and anabolic steroids, can negatively affect both hormone levels and sperm quality. Beyond environmental influences, genetics also play a role in testicular function. Some men inherit conditions that affect sperm production or hormone balance, such as Klinefelter syndrome or congenital absence of the vas deferens. Infections, injuries, and certain medical treatments, such as chemotherapy, can also disrupt the delicate processes within the testicles. Regular testicular self-examination is recommended to monitor for abnormalities, such as lumps, swelling, or pain, which could signal underlying health issues, including testicular cancer. Early detection is crucial, as testicular cancer is highly treatable, especially when caught in its initial stages. Sperm production is not only vital for fertility, but also acts as a barometer for overall male health. Men with healthy testicular function typically enjoy better energy levels, mood stability, and bone density, as testosterone exerts widespread effects throughout the body. Conversely, disruptions in testicular health can lead to symptoms such as fatigue, reduced libido, mood changes, and even osteoporosis. In terms of fertility, the average ejaculate contains between 40 million and 300 million sperm cells, though only a fraction will make the journey to potentially fertilize an egg. The quality of sperm, its shape, motility, and genetic integrity is just as important as quantity. Healthy sperm are streamlined, with oval heads and long tails, enabling them to swim efficiently through the female reproductive tract. As men age, sperm production and testosterone levels gradually decline. But unlike women, who experience a distinct menopause, men's reproductive capability often persists into older age. However, the risk of genetic mutations in sperm increases with age, which may affect offspring health. Advances in medical science continue to deepen our understanding of the testicles and sperm production. Techniques such as assisted reproductive technology, ART, have helped many men overcome infertility, while research into stem cells and regenerative medicine holds promise for future treatments. In summary, the testicles are remarkable organs, central to male reproductive health. Through the continuous, intricate process of spermatogenesis, they ensure the production of millions of sperm, each carrying the potential to create life. Proper hormonal regulation, healthy lifestyle choices, and awareness of environmental and genetic factors all contribute to maintaining optimal testicular function. By understanding and caring for these vital organs, men can support not only their fertility, but also their overall well-being.